Hello, this is a demonstration of how to manually install the grid view for Google Meets in case your device, for whatever reason, doesn't have it. So all I have to do is I'm in Google. All I have to do is go to extensions. I'm going to Google extensions. And I spelled it interesting. But you can go to Chrome Web Store, Google Chrome, like Chrome Web Store, Google Chrome. And this is the Chrome Web Store. And I'm going to say search search the store. And you're not buying anything. You're just going to download it. I'm going to put in grid view view Meet. And it says Google Meet Grid View. I've already installed it, so it just says rate it. But all you have to do is click add to Chrome, and then you'll have it. That's it. So if for whatever reason your grid view did not install, and stop the video now if that's all the information you need. The way that grid view just magically appears is if the student logs into Chrome up here in the corner and does an actual Google Chrome login. I think that's a little more complicated than it needs to be. I prefer just to send you to the extensions. The Google Web Store might be better to put in Google Web Store, maybe. Let me try that. Same thing. Chrome Web Store, Google Chrome, and then you can just type in the name of the extension you want, which is Meet or Grid View. Maybe just Grid View pulls it up. Yep, first one came up was Grid View. And then you'll have it. You'll be able to use it in your meets. So take care.